I told you it was freezing. I don't even have any towels. That's a lie. I have no towels.
Joey, I love you.
You feel claustrophobic. You feel like you can't breathe. How did you handle that?
I really loved it.
Why did you? I could see saying I didn't mind it, but why would you? Why would you actively love it?
I don't know. I'm not claustrophobic. I like being in small confined spaces, and I like the feeling of like being crushed. And if I had to choose a way to die, not that I have to, but you know, when people play that game, like, would you want to drown or get killed by a shark or whatever, I usually say like I would be suffocated because I feel like you get squeezed and then I think your body falls asleep and then you die peacefully. But so I just was like, I'm doing it, and it was actually at Parks and Rec I decided this. I left like one of the last days of our shoot, the last episode. I just like went from there to the audition, and I had a plan to flash them.
Oh.
Like my butt.
Uh-huh.
And then I just went there and I just like threw the script out and just looked into the camera and said a bunch of like really dirty things. Then I flashed them and then I left and then I got it.
My ideal first date would be for someone to come and pick me up and then be like, you know, I don't feel like going anywhere. And then I'd be like, yeah, you're right, let's not go anywhere. And then they'd be like, you know what, I kind of just want to go home and watch a movie. And I'd be like, all right, we'll see you later. This was really fun.
I mess with my hair a lot, so this is just one thing I like to do. But I do this all the time when I'm anxious or really uncomfortable. I take a strand of my hair, like a medium section, and I make a loop like this, and then I put it in my ear, and I listen to it. It talks to me. I'll do the sound into the mic so you can hear it.
Did you give a speech? Did you have to give a speech for this when you got the award?
Yes, I wasn't required to, but I did give one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Are you happy with how the speech went?
I think so. Of what I can remember of it, I think I said thank you. Thank you to Young Hollywood for this award.
Thank you to the Young Hollywood Awards and to all the young people out there. Keep being young.
Thank you to all the young people, you old people,
And old people. Old people can go live forever.
old people can go themselves.
Why did you?
I'm going to live forever, and then I walked off.